Got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode. Today, we're going to be working on a car that I just bought. I found this on a Craigslist for a stupid deal. The kid was hard up on money, and I bought it for 200 bucks. It really is mint. Really, the only thing cosmetically wrong with it is this fender here, but I think if I get some compound on here, I could, buff this out a little bit. No, I'm just joking. But anyways, the motor doesn't run on all 4 cylinders. The guy said that it was leaking compression. So who knows? He probably just took it somewhere and they hooked it up and yada yada yada. So I took off the oil cap to see if I had any blow by. If I can get it off here. And in the process of doing that, I had it running and I could see one of the valves wasn't moving at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull off the valve cover and see what's wrong. Hopefully I can get this thing running and flip it and make some money. Alrighty guys, so we are in luck. I just went ahead and got the valve cover off and it looks like one of the retainers is missing. So that's gonna be a quick fix. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the head off. Obviously I'll check the valve. If the valve is still good, I'm just gonna use the springs and retainers I have here from another head and throw it on, put this thing back together and send it. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that head. Alrighty, so we just went ahead and got the head taken off, and you can clearly see that this valve here is not seating. So that means we're just gonna pull it out. It's probably bent.
It's probably. It's bent all the way.
It's definitely bent. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull it out and switch it out with another one.
You trust me, right?
I guess. Go.
Oh! I think I just got it.
What the fuck, man?
Did you told me to trust you, dude. I got oil all over my hand.
Oh my god! I just made that straight. Bloop. Damn.
Kobe, bro.
Oh, at least we got one.
We got one of the keys on.
Dude, if I would plan that would not happen. I swear.
Right? You kept talking all that.
I'm like,
that
do you
crap.
trust me? Do you trust me? Do you trust me?
Well, I need the ratchet now.
Don't
you gonna
trust
do
me
a dive?
You gonna do it?
You. Can I go fishing in there?
Hero.
Nope.
Wrong one. It's over here.
Yep, right there. Oh, there it is.
Who knows what you'll find?
Yeah, there's like 4 things in there, damn.
We're saving them for later.
Those are the tools I keep in there, so nobody messes with them.
Safekeeping. All the 10s are in there.
All right, let's try to do this ghetto way one more time.
Make sure you hold it. Ready?
Yeah. All right, we're good.
You heard that?
Yeah.
Oh!
What you mean?
It's going straight to San Juan. Damn, this thing is really bad. Look at that. Can that some maracas, bro? Damn.
It's some new custom.
So I got this fresh one right out of a Z6 that I had over there. I'll press it in.
Ooh.
Nice.
Mamacita.
it's getting late, so we'll come back tomorrow, get the header on, and get everything bolted in, and should be good to go.
In the sauce, in the sauce, in the sauce, in the sauce, I'm Gucci.
Alrighty guys, it is day number 2. We're just back in the shop. We're gonna go ahead and do the finishing touches on this swap, and I think it's gonna start.
We're gonna send it, bro.
Gonna send it. I'm kind of jealous about this motor. I almost want to keep it for my car because it's the one that comes with the rollers, and that's really cool. It's just like the K series, and supposedly this motor gets 40 miles to the gallon, which I really like. I love fuel efficiency stuff. So if it wasn't going to be a flip car, I would keep it, but it's too good of a deal to take it out and all that. So we're just going to go ahead and finish it up and hope she starts. Okay, so we just went ahead and got everything buttoned up. Want to go ahead and do the honors for us?
Brand new.
Like new. Heck yeah.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and take this thing to the car wash. You can tell it's never seen water before. Me and Ron gonna go real quick over there to the car wash. It's like a few blocks down, so to get it mucked up and send it.
You gonna hit VTEC?
Too slow. Take us forever to the
VTEC in 3 minutes.
Right. Damn, dude, this thing's brand new.
Like a brand new car.
Show how much miles it has. Stock.
108 guys. 108 miles for sale.
For sale.
Super long gears.
First gear I ever heard. What happened there, son? This thing was dirty.
Alrighty guys, so we just went ahead and made it back to the shop. Got the car cleaned. We're gonna go ahead and pick up that fender, get it painted, put it on, and get it online. So if you're interested in picking up a 99 Civic coupe, let me know. It'll be right down in the comments. We'll also have it in Facebook Marketplace here in Colorado. We also wanted to show our condolences to one of our good friends, PANCHIE. He recently passed away. He was a really great friend of ours. He really was a huge impact in our Colorado Honda community and just the car scene in general. We're gonna go ahead and call the video there, guys.
Go ahead and like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.
Peace.